Okay, we got the missing kid parents.
The kid has found his dad and he's super angry.
ऊपर लिखे ना. We welcome
Guys,
Himanshu.
guys, let's start. Let's start. Hey,
Himanshu, यहाँ पे. We welcome principal of Shetty School, Mr. Shiv Desani ji. Please come here, sir.
welcome, sir. Good evening.
Please come.
It's a
Please
pleasure
join us.
to have you here on this occasion of prize distribution of GCL 1.0. Thank you for coming and gracing the occasion. Shiv Dasani ji. We welcome Mr. Shiv Dasani from GS Shetty School. He is the principal of GS Shetty School and he is here to grace the occasion of prize distribution of GCL 1. I would thank all the sponsors, Akash Institute, GS Shetty School, IDFC Bank, Kotak Bank, Independence Breweries, Abro Shoes, Godrej Builders, Eat Sure, Oven Story Pizza, Charcoal Eats, My Gate, and many more.
Guys, let us make it fast. सब
Come on, Siddesh.
guys, we are starting. Guys,
Masters, doctors, GB.
guys, let's start. Guys, let's start. The Mr. Shivdasani ji hai. Please come here, sir. Please come here. Please welcome our title sponsor from Shetty School, Principal Shivdasani sir, Chief Guest of this event. Mr. Chatterjee, please welcome from Shetty School. We start this present final. Yeah. So now we are starting with the final prize distribution. Before that, our main title sponsor, Mr. Shivdasani will say some words. Sir, please.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I feel it's a matter of proud privilege to be here amongst you all. And before I speak a few words, pat on the back of all the residents of Runwal Greens for the nice and the gorgeous exhibit of the play which you have demonstrated. It was wonderful watching you all. You all played with a zeal and an unstoppable zest. On behalf of the management, I promise you that we'll certainly motivate you in the future years to come also.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. And please give me 2 or 3 minutes of your precious time. The dark clouds of the pandemic looming and hovering over, leading to the tenebrosity, have almost vanished, and now has arisen a fiesta of incandescence, emerging and radiating our lives with exuberance, vitality and celebrity. Dear friends, let me tell you at the outset that GS Shetty International School has been working miracles in the field of academics. Our teachers are devoted and dedicated. They moil and toil from dawn to dusk teaching the students, and the results are very evident and clear. In the year 2021, the grade 10 standard results have been incredible and stupendous. Let me declare, apart from the results being 100%, it's a dream come true, securing 100 out of 100 marks in English language. And it was not one or two students, collectively 6 students had the prerogative of securing 100 out of 100 in English language and 100 out of 100 in English literature also, collectively making 200 out of 200. Apart from that, 30% of the students secured more than 92%, and as many as 5 toppers secured 96% and above.
Lovely.
Needless to mention, subjects like biology, chemistry and physics, the highest was 99. And even in subjects like history, civics and geography, we topped the score with getting 99% out of 100.
Wow.
You would wonder what is the secret of your success. Just take 2 minutes more. What is the secret of our success? And that is the evening classes which we have. Apart from the morning sessions, we are quite devoted and we are so encouraging that we have evening sessions as well, where the teachers make the children understand, write their homework very well. In the days of Corona, because I am attached to the ICSE board as well, in the days of Corona, when the children lost the habit of writing, it were our school students who had evening sessions. Teachers made them understand, write, remember the answers. And let me tell you, this is the way we have curbed the mushrooming of the coaching institutes in and around Mulund. And all this is inclusive in the school fees. We don't charge anything for the evening classes at all. Apart from that, the last 2 points which I need to cover is the UPSC and the MPSC syllabus is also a part of our curriculum. It is an integral part and students take delight in learning those courses. And apart from that, the coding and the programming in detail is being taught to our school students. Post the morning lectures are over, that course is also taken care in this era of digitalization. Rightly said, great things are done when men and mountains meet, and it is not done by jostling in the streets. So GSSIS has carved its own niche in the field of education and in the field of discipline. Here where the parents have to pay through the nose for such courses like UPSC, MPSC, all the activities, dance, drama, well, GS Shetty takes a pride in saying that we don't charge a single paisa more than the
Superb.
academic fees. All this is included inside the syllabus. And last but not the least, 1 minute more. I'll tell you, dear friends, English is a very tricky language. To speak English correctly, fluently, and flawlessly is not everyone's cup of tea. And so, in order to escalate the standard of the students, we have started with English sessions daily, and we have a professional team from British Council Library, British Council Institute. They teach the students daily basis, and that is what the power of eloquence, word power, enrichment of vocabulary, the power of diction and speaking English without any mistakes, which is the need of the hour, and it is certainly going to bring about a revolution in the field of education. So my dear friends, lastly I invite you all to please spare some few moments and to come to our school. Please do visit us. This is the nearest place, hardly a stone's throw from this particular building, and we'll be privileged to have you. Please come and have a look and motivate the students. We'll be more than happy. We have our Priyas sir before us. Thank you, sir, for sponsoring. And thank you all.
तालिया. Dr. Priyesh Shetty, our trustee sponsor. Priyesh.
Priyesh.
Our Priyesh Shetty really motivates us a lot, and he's one of the directors. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much for the inspiration. Last but not the least,
Oh.
I'll end up with a saying. For often when on my couch I lie, for often when on my couch I lie in vacant or in pensive mood, you all will flash upon my inward eye, which is the bliss of solitude, and then my heart with pleasure would fill and dance with the bygone memories of Runwal Greens. Thank you so much.
Oh. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Shivdasani. Thank you very much. Now, guys, in next 10-15 minutes, अगले 10 या 15 मिनट में अपना प्रेजेंटेशन हम खत्म करेंगे. मुझे पता है आप थके हुए हैं, आपको भूख लगी है, बिरयानी खानी है. जस्ट लास्ट 10-15 मिनट्स और भी कुछ खाना पीना है आपको, तो बात भी. सो नाउ ये जो स्पोर्ट्स कमेटी जो अपना बना और उसके बाद हमने GCL 1 किया, उसकी आधारशिला जो रखी थी प्रणील नायर साहब ने, उन्होंने दे हैव स्टार्टेड दिस इनिशिएटिव. सो आई मस्ट थैंक यू प्रणील नायर साहब. उसके बाद एपेक्स कमेटी ने, और आज जो लास्ट 5 दिन का जो कार्निवल आज एक्चुअली खत्म हुआ है, ऑल थैंक्स टू द एंटायर एपेक्स कमिटी, राइट फ्रॉम प्रेसिडेंट, सेक्रेटरी, ट्रेजरर and all entire Apex committee. Without them, this would not have been possible. And I will request now first Pranil Nair ji to speak and then President.
Thank you, Pramod. I never take a mic in the complex, but the first time I have to tell it something, you say. Thank you, GS Shetty School and the principal. Thank you very much. And it's a proud moment. The sponsor has won the cup. Priyesh, come here. We have to. Priyesh. Doctor. Priyesh, it's a great thing you see, and it's such a down to earth. No need. I mean it. We don't need sponsors. It's not about the money or monetary things. But this guy and this family is such a down to earth people. I think the way they live
Special applause
from front.
Thank you.
So 3 cheers for them. I've just taken the mic. We all, I must congratulate the Apex. This is the first Apex. I know people are staying here for 5 years, 4 years, 3 years, 2 years, 1 year, 6 years. But officially, this is the Apex formed. And the way the Apex, the governing council and the 32 members and 10 members, 7 members. Lakshmikant Bulle, the president, give a big hand and big applause to the president.
Come on, guys, tell him. We love you.
Secretary is not there. Anjul Vota, Anjul, the treasurer, please come ahead.
Anjul, why you are behind here? Come here.
Anshul, see, this would not be possible. We had to format a system out here. There were cricket used to be out here, RGPL was there, but under an official body. And to come and bring all of them together without any money, without taking out any money, without sponsoring out, the way these people have worked out, the governing council, hats off to them. Governing council out here is only a body to help you people. But the real efforts, it was a combination of old and new. First time we have decided कि जैसे हिंदी में कहा जाता है कि आशीर्वाद बड़ों का होना बहुत जरूरी होता है, तो वहाँ बड़ों का आशीर्वाद नवीन भाई थे. लोगों को पता नहीं क्या क्या अपने दिमाग में था, लेकिन प्रमोद, नवीन, these people, Raman, these people who have done it from last 5-6 years. 5-6 years these people have done it. With a new body. The new body, I must not forget people like Sanjay, Samir, Harshal, Abhi, Sanju, Rakesh. That I'll come for especially for you. I have to criticize you. I'll come. I kept something for you. Don't worry about you. So why I've taken the mic, you see, this is a team effort. No individuals are bigger than the system. No individuals. And this cricket body has been formed. This whole sports committee has been formed because we have to create a system that no individual will overtake the decision of the system. And that this governing council has given us a free hand. Nobody is above the system and nobody can bypass the system. I must really congratulate people, some people out there, I have to take a like Ajay Pillai and Himanshu. I have to name these people. Himanshu, the way he's working out for you guys from last one and a half month. A big
Special talu for Himanshu guys and Ajay Pillai.
Ajay, to create a system for you all. You see, you people will never understand the effort these people are putting out you for the benefit to create a legacy for sports out here. Some people may get antagonized. हमने देखा है कि पुलिस कंप्लेंट आए थे यहाँ पर, कल पुलिस आए थे, 50 पुलिस को बुलाओ साहब, ये कोई रुकेगा नहीं यहाँ पर स्पोर्ट्स. अब जितना बुलाना है बुलाओ. And it's not cricket. The facilities which are going on out here, it's volleyball, it's table tennis, it's senior citizens, it's ladies, it's kids, it's over soccer, squash, badminton, football, and I mean it, believe me, these all people who are standing out here, the way this cricket is organized, all the sports will be organized same way, same fun and fair.
Beautiful.
कोई 19-20 नहीं होगा.
Talia for us. For us, please.
So I thank again all the 15 captains. Yash, I have to thank you. Arnav, where's Arnav? Ash and Arnav.
Maulankar, Arnav.
Yash, come here. Yash, we have to set a precedent.
Come on, Yash. Yash. Talia, guys. Arnav, Talia.
I mean it. These people, the way they played fairly, you have set a precedent for the whole team. It's not a matter of winning or losing. It's a gentleman game. You people have proved it. So big cheers for these two guys.
Come on, guys. Come on.
Mangesh, come ahead. Mangesh, come ahead. You people have set a precedent. I must congratulate you. The people will follow you people. We don't need people who antagonize people. It's not the RGPL we come, GCL we come. We are not professional cricketers. अगर प्रोफेशनल क्रिकेटर्स होता तो IPL खेलते थे साहब. Here people, I think Yash have 200 people below him. Raman is an MBA. Doctor, he has 5 doctors below him. हमारा आने का कारण यही है कि let's play in a healthy way. Don't antagonize people, don't abuse people. Keep it a competitive way. It should be a family thing. All the families are sitting out here. That's the reason we all are here. Once again, congrats Pramod and Naveen Bhai. Hi, Naveen Bhai. Naveen Bhai, आजा. आप लोग, the way you people have worked from last 2 months, taking all of them together, all of them, सब कमेटी सब नाम होते हैं साहब, एक सिस्टम होती है, पर जो सही काम करते हैं आप लोगों ने काम किया. Hats off to you. That's the reason I took the mic to thank you all. हम लोग सिर्फ माइक ही ले सकते हैं, काम आप कर सकते हैं साहब.
नहीं,
हमारा कोई काम
it's
नहीं
not,
है. आप
it's
लोगों
not
ने
that
काम
way,
किया.
Pramod bhai.
Thank you very very
It's
much.
an entire team effort and the support of all these gentlemen basically. Now we are
AB, I want you. Sorry. That should be all of them. Not for you. The next time. And last not the least, I mean it, Pradeep Rai. I don't want to name, I don't want to say any words, everybody knows it. He doesn't need my word for that thing, what he has done it. Pradeep, hats off to you. Thank you, बहुत dedication. बहुत. Thank you, Pradeep. Thank you very, very much. Yeah. I thank you very much. And DG, आगे आ जाओ.
DG, we love you.
It's a big thing. I would tell AB's word. boundary line and do all these things. Thank you, DG, for
DG.
all the things what you special demand. लेडीज और प्लेयर का भी कमेंटेटर, किड्स का भी कमेंटेटर आप ही करेगा प्रदीप राय भी डिमांड आप एंड लेडीज का भी आप बिल्कुल. So thank you all guys, thank you very much.
Thank you guys, thank you. Now starting with the presentation. DG.
Hello.
LM wants to say, our Apex president on behalf of entire Apex, Mr. Lakshmikant Mulani Saab will say some words.
Well, I think after Pranil Bhai has so nicely described the event and he has taken care to name everybody who has been a crucial part of tournament. I mean, there is nothing else left for me. I mean, you have said it all, Pranil Bhai, and thank you to you now. I mean, he should be
Wow,
big
क्या बात है, क्या
big
बात है.
clap. Thank you.
Thank you. Now we are starting with the.
Hello.
Three cheers for Pranil. Hip hip!
Hooray!
Hip hip!
Hooray!
Hip hip! Hooray! Three cheers for our Apex committee. Hip hip!
Hooray!
Hip hip!
Hooray!
Hip hip!
Hooray! 3 cheers for Samir Bhai. Hip hip! Hip hip! Hip hip! Guys, now we are starting with the.
I would like to take this opportunity to request Pranil Bhai, keep on supporting the Apex the way he is being supporting. You know?
He is always supportive. He is always supportive. Thank you, Manil Bhai. Now we are starting with the actual presentation, guys. Hardly 5-10 minutes more. Just kindly bear with us.
हेलो. मजाक में खेल लिए हैं. चलो, we are starting. Hello. Check. Would like to. Would like to thanks all our sponsors. Without taking much time, quickly, I am starting with first award. I will request Pranil Bhai to come on stage. First award, Best Fielder.
Pranil Bhai, please. Please.
Mr. Mihir, Best Fielder, Mr. Mihir, please come on stage, give a trophy. Congratulations. I would like to call Mr. Jha, Anirudh, Anjul. The Best Bowler Award goes to Mr. Rahul. Congratulations, Rahul. Thank you, guys. I'll request Mr. Kailash Patil to come on stage. Needless to say, who's the best batsman? Needless to say. Round of applause. Yash Bhavsar. I request Mr. Samir Singh to come on stage. Samir Singh. Samir Singh. Samir Singh. Samir Singh. And Mangesh, please. Mangesh ji, please come on stage. Any guesses? Man of the series.
No.
Yash Bhavsar, welcome.
Yash Bhavsar again.
I would like to call Pramod on stage.
Now, man of the match, finals. Any guesses? Mani Pradhan.
Pramod ji, please come.
I request Harshal and Himanshu.
Harshal and Himanshu.
Please do the honors. Harshal and Himanshu. Our sports committee member.
Harshal Desai. Harshal Desai. Congratulations, Mani Pradhan ji.
I'll take just 1 minute since the Apex team is here, sports committee is here. Sir, we mentioned a lot of sports. Pranil Bhai mentioned a lot of sports. Would it be a terrible idea to add tennis to that list? It will be a great pleasure to coach these kids how to play tennis here. Trust me, there are people committed for that cause. Please make it possible somehow. We are happy to share the space. Please make it possible.
We'll definitely work on it. Thank you.
We'll do the needful.
Sure,
Thank you.
Apex team will think over it.
Next, Fair Play Award.
We call on stage Mehta, Joint Secretary. Anil Mehta ji, please.
Anil ji, please आइए स्टेज पे सर. Any guesses for Fair Play Award? It's a team. It's a team.
Fair Play Award, guys. Any guesses? Various Ali Gang, Praveen Gajre, और क्या?
Masters.
Masters.
Anything? Tall enders? Anyone? What do you say?
Okay.
It's Gully 17.
Gully Gang 17. Fair Play Award.
Come, sir. Congratulations, MSD.
This is the fair team. थोड़े काले लोग हैं, लेकिन this is the fair team.
हम काले हैं तो क्या हुआ, दिल वाले हैं सर.
Thank you, fair team. दिल से काफी fair है. चेहरे जाओ. Now, guys, this is a special award, Spirit of Cricket Award. I would like to call on stage DG to give this award, Spirit of Cricket. Any guesses? एक रुको यार, अरे क्राइटेरिया बताने दो. The guy who was Jane वगैरह नहीं, the guy who was out of cricket, in fact on a very bad stage for a couple of months. He was on bedridden. He came back and fighted like a spirit. Phoenix. Ritesh Jain. Are you around, Ritesh? Ritesh, are you around? Ritesh Jain, are you around? He is coming, guys. He is there. Ritesh.
प्रशंसा करनी होगी बाहुबली टीम की, जिस तरीके से ये मैच खेला गया था। बहुत टेंशन वाला मैच था दोनों टीमों के लिए, लेकिन जिस तरीके से खेला गया था, ये जो स्पिरिट था, यही अपना रुनवाल फैमिली से होता है, एंड दैट्स द ब्यूटी ऑफ दिस क्रिकेट। I would like to call Sumit Verma from Akash Academy to say few words about how you feel about, coming to Runwal and seeing these beautiful matches, man.
So thank you very much for the opportunity to participate as a sponsor here. It was a great pleasure to participate as a sponsor and see the crowd. So I just want to take 1 minute and announce that Akash Institute is starting at Mulund West, Kapish Plaza. Okay, so all the students who are aspiring to be an engineer or medical aspirants and the foundation builder, that is from 8th standard to 12th standard, we are going to start the course at Mulund. So everyone is welcome, and I'm sure we can have something special for the Runwal Green students. Thank you very much.
I would like to call runner-up team Bahubali to take this award. सब पीछे हो जाओ, थोड़ा सा पीछे हो जाओ सब। Congratulations and celebrations, guys. God bless you. Wonderful knockout. Cheers, guys. Hip hip. Hip hip. बजरंग बली की कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस।
Winning team, if you would like to invite your families, runners team, आपको फैमिलीज को बुलाना है, फोटो सेशन के लिए बुला सकते हैं। कॉल योर फैमिली फॉर फोटो सेशन।
गंगा
Join, join,
गंगा
please
आपके
join.
परिवार को बुलाए, त्रिवेणी को भी बुलाए, नमन को भी बुलाए।
गणेश,
बाकी सब थोड़े पीछे हो जाओ दोस्तों। फैमिली फर्स्ट, फैमिली फर्स्ट।
मंगेश जी आप को बुलाओ। कौन है?
ये उनकी जीत है, उनके पेशेंस और उनका सपोर्ट आपको, उनके बिना ये पॉसिबल नहीं होता।
चलो फोटोग्राफर MSD, अच्छा फोटो ले।
उनके पेशेंस, उनकी मेहनत
चलो
अद्भुत।
गाइस, कम ऑन,
अद्भुत, अविश्वसनीय।
तालियां।
दिस इज कॉल्ड रुनवाल फैमिली।
दिस इज कॉल्ड ट्रू रुनवाल फैमिली।
लाइट भी आंख मार रहा है।
नहीं, वो पीछे का लाइट बंद कर रहा है नेक्स्ट अट्रैक्शन के लिए।
बली रे बली, बली रे बली।
Yeah. Now guys,
प्लीज कम, प्लीज कम।
I would like to invite on stage the front side Mr. Shiv Dasani ji, Principal,
प्लीज
Shetty International School, and our Apex President
थोड़ा
Lakshmikant Mulani Saab. Please come on the stage, sir, please, and Mr. Chatterjee.
पहले इनको, अच्छा एक मिनट है सर, थोड़ा एक मिनट जरा जिमित भाई आजा आजा, पकड़ उधर पकड़। हाँ हाँ, जिम्मी 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 आजा आजा आजा, जिम्मी 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 आजा।
थोड़ा बहुत आगे रखा, बहुत आगे रखा। टीम यहाँ पीछे आएगी।
6 फुट की दूरी।
सुजीत, थोड़ा लाइट 1 मिनट के लिए चालू करो प्लीज।
सर राइट एंगल सर, एब्सोल्युटली या स्टीव जॉब्स। ओके ओके,
प्रवीण, रेडी प्रवीण? So, no. Now, DG, please call the teams. Do the honors.
कौन है?
Who is winner?
कौन है?
Winner, अरे Lions था winner. Lions था winner.
Round of applause
अभिनेता
for Dr.
अभिनेता
Masters,
winner.
champions of Green Cricket League. Music, please.
Masters. We welcome Masters.
ले करो, बोले तो.
We call on. Hey, DG. Guys, please, let's finish this. We call on stage Captain of Masters, Dr. Raghavendra.
Congratulations.
We have got one more prize, sir, one more trophy from Apex President. ये ट्रॉफी बाद में वापस देनी पड़ेगी.
Revolving trophy है.
This is the revolving trophy. What you have taken first?
Please note.
तालिया. Yeah.
Please note.
Guys,
It's a
ये
revolving.
trophy this is called Yuvraj Rai Cup, sponsored by Sanjay Rai. On one of the night we remember.
राय ग्रुप ऑफ कंपनीज के मालिक संजय राय.
Thank you, Mr. Sanjay.
Hey.
We appreciate this gesture. Such more gestures should come in coming years.
GB, we love you.
अरे कोई आगे दो दो कैसे
Now,
पकड़ेगा?
champions, I request LM and Dr. Shudasani kindly hand the champions teams from sides to the winning team. Come back this side. Winning
ए,
team.
जीतने वाले लोग पीछे आओ.
Winning team, come back on this side.
Come on, hip hip.
Come on.
Come on, champions. You are the champions, man.
GB, we love you.
एवढाच आहे तुम्हाला.
Wow, what a event, man. DJ Bravo, DJ Bravo, champion. Come on, Josh, guys, come on. Champion, hey, champion, champion, champion. Come on, guys. Champion, let's have a celebration, man. Champion, champion. This is DJ in the house. Champion, come on, man. Champion. Thank you. Come on, champions! You're the champion, man. Champion, 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 Come on, guys! Congratulations, guys! It's a celebration, man.
Guys, we invite all the players to the banquet area for biryani party, biryani party and DJ.
Come on, DJ! Music! Jingat bajao!
आप जो करना है करो. We end this session.
Sachin, Jingat!
We love you, Jimmy. We love you. We love you.
last time once more, then over.
Last time, last
Song Jingat, then over.
song.
On a public demand, one Jingat, then stop.
Repeat that last time once more. Last time.
Come on, guys!
Oh, Mayor, come inside. Mayor, Mayor, come inside, Mayor. Mayor, Anand.
Thank you. Sorry.
Guys, please,
Thank you.
all players are requested to join for dry biryani party in banquet hall. Dry biryani party. After 15 minutes.
Guys,
Okay, last time once more. Yeah, last time. Sachin, last time once more. Last time. Come on, Sachin, last time. सचिन वापस लास्ट टाइम अभी
क्या वो 2 मिनट आलं लागेल का तो गेलाय
Sachin, can you make it fast? Sachin, can you make it fast, please? We have to start next session of dinner, so make it fast. This is a different song given by the, I think, Mr. Suresh. Same song, okay, same song. Repeat. It's a different Zingat song. Now LM will dance. Come on, LM. Now LM will dance. LM will dance. Come on, LM. guys, this is the end of the show.
Thank you,
After
guys.
10 minutes, please join banquet hall for dry biryani party.